Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theclife.com, and today's question is, how much is too much for personal training? Now, that's a very interesting question, but I'm a firm believer in you get what you pay for. Like, some people put certain values on different things depending on the stage that they're in their development, right? So if you are at a point where everything is working well for you, you're successful at work, you have your dream home, but your health is shit, right? You're going to want to throw money at that situation, and you're willing to pay top dollar for it, for the best, because you're successful in every other area in your life, right? So it all depends on, how much do you value your health at this point in time, basically. So, are you at a point where you can't afford anything and then you're just watching YouTube videos and helping them, by watching them help you along your journey? And as you develop yourself, your fitness level, your income will just increase, right? And you're gonna start paying more money for your development in your health. Like, for instance, LeBron James, right? He spends over $1 million a year on his body. Some of that, several hundred thousand, goes to personal training. So it depends on where you're at in your stage of development and how much value you're putting towards your health and fitness. It's just that cut and dry. So if you're at a point where you can't afford any of it, then you might want to download an ebook or watch Mike Rashid's videos, Chris Jones, all the fitness YouTubers, so that, because they're always sharing their secrets. We have nothing to hide. We just fully share. But then for those who want to pay us for implementation, they'll do that through a personal training session. They don't pay us for the workout. They pay us for our coaching of the workout and implementing that training program. So it depends, depends on what stage you're at in your development. Hope that answered the question. If you have any more questions, hit me up in the comments, subscribe and holla. Peace.